Welcome to the student assignment tutorial for the EdChoice Expansion Scholarship. School assignment is the first step in accepting an expansion scholarship and will only be necessary in the EdChoice Expansion Scholarship this year. The purpose of this tutorial is to assist providers with assigning students to their school in the EdChoice Expansion Scholarship system. Prior to starting this process, you will need to have your login information, know the start and end dates of the school year, and the principal will need to have completed the school's tuition entry process on your school's provider record in the EdChoice expansion system. In this tutorial, we will search for and select a student application and then assign the application to the school and enter the school start and end dates. Let's begin. In our tutorial scenario, we are the provider, Creative Academy 1, and we will be finding and assigning a student named Dylan Tuttle in the EdChoice Expansion Scholarship. After logging in, we will land on the Web Systems listing page. We will choose the link that is named Scholarship, which will take us to the Scholarship Program selection page. By selecting the EdChoice Expansion box, we will be taken to the Provider Search page, where the active provider name will be listed. Notice that the Program Information box displays the program currently selected. Also notice that the gray bar at the top of the page lists a number of drop-downs, including Provider, Student, Finance, User Manual and Forms, and Contacts, where the EdChoice email address may be found. Next, we will select the Search Scholarship Application from the Student drop-down, or just double-click the word Student on the gray bar at the top of the page. This will take you to the Advanced Student Search page. Because we are seeking students that we have not yet accepted, we will need to uncheck the Show Only My Students box. Next, enter the student's first name, last name, and date of birth in the appropriate fields and click the Search button. The return record will be listed at the bottom of the search page. Verify that the student has been awarded and click the magnifying glass icon on the right side under the Details column. Notice the blue bar above the tabs identifies the application number and the name of the student currently selected. Below the blue bar, you will find the tabs associated with the various parts of the student's application. Select the Application tab, and once the page is loaded, find the Add Provider button in the Providers box and click it. When prompted, enter the school's enrollment start and end dates. Then click the Add Provider button to complete the process. Note: if the student has been attending your school since the first day of school, then you would enter your school's start date. If the student has not started attending your school yet, then enter the actual first date that that student started attending your school as the enrollment start date. You may verify that your school is listed as the initial provider in the application information box, and once verified, you may search for and assign another student or log out. This ends the student assignment tutorial for the EdChoice Expansion Scholarship.